Okay, so this is my little front yard pond with the fish mint and the Azolla. I put that in there. This particular variety has green and red, but this stuff is great. It makes a mat, a thick mat that keeps the mosquitoes from being able to lay eggs in your water. There's a bunch of other benefits to Azolla, but I'm gonna go do an IG video about all the cool benefits and then post it up. Okay, so this is 2 plastic tubs just set in the corner, the shadiest corner of my backyard. I am in a humid area. There are mosquitoes everywhere, but what I want you guys to see is this little Azolla fern. Okay, not too much in the water right now, but I have put some fish emulsion in here, and I will be putting some bone meal in here too. That's why it's a little cloudy of the water, but Azolla is like a super duper awesome food. Okay, the thing you can do with Azolla is you can feed it to your chickens, and you can actually feed it to your livestock. It is high in protein. It also fixes nitrogen from the air, so you can, this is so new, like you can't even see how thick it gets, but it makes this really thick mat that will stop mosquitoes from laying larval eggs in the water. Okay, it will, given the right conditions, it will double in size in a 2-day or 2 or 3 day period, so it reproduces super fast, and it's an excellent fertilizer for your garden because it fixes nitrogen from the air. So basically, you do nothing to this but leave it alone and put a little bone meal and some fertilizer in there once in a while. If you have chickens, put some chicken poop in here. If you've got other kinds of livestock, put some, manure in here. And you'll, not a lot, doesn't need a lot, and you will be rewarded with a super thick layer of this Azolla. You can feed it wet, or you can dry it out and give it to your poultry or your livestock. You can just scoop it out wet and put it, like, side dress your plants with it, and you are basically just like a tub of water and some manure or fertilizer, and you are able to easily and effortlessly grow your own, basically, food for your livestock and fertilizer for your garden. You could eat it. People do have consumed Azolla. So it is one of the most basic plants in the entire world. Like, it is literally one of the most simple organisms in the entire world, as far as, you know, a little bit up from amoebas, okay? But I can't even tell you how amazing this stuff is. This is nothing. This is just a really boring setup, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is. They need somewhat cool conditions, so that's why this is in a shady spot, but they can't go without sunlight. They need a little bit of sunlight. But if you guys will get, I think $8, I got a half cup on eBay for $8. It's on both my ponds, both my water ponds in a pot, and I've got it back here growing too. It will change the way you feed your livestock, how much you spend on food. It will change the way you fertilize your garden. You don't have to buy a bunch of nitrogen fertilizers. This stuff will change your whole homestead.